Baby corn hara bhara. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cooking time 8 minutes. Today we will be making baby corn hara bhara, a delicious party appetizer or a healthy afternoon snack. You will need the following ingredients to put this dish together. Add half-inch piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of chopped coriander and 1 chopped onion in a blender. Add a little water and grind to a smooth paste. Keep the paste aside. Take a microwavable dish and add your lengthwise cut baby corn to it. Add salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add the prepared paste to it. Stir the mixture well till the baby corn is coated with the green paste. Microwave on high for 6 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well and serve hot. Healthy and tasty, the perfect afternoon snack for a finicky husband and fussy children, or a great party snack for discerning guests.